Hello guys, in this video I will be doing unboxing and detailed information about the usage on Ambrane power bank. I purchased this from Snapdeal and it was quite fast delivery. It cost me around $7.99 by using some coupon code, but as per the bill it is $999. It says made in India and it says it uses Samsung lithium ion cells. So this is the actual Ambrane power bank. It also comes with a flat white cable and it measures around 12 inch in length. Yeah, it's quite heavy, around 280 grams. So that is the power button and those are the 4 LED lights. It says input of 1000 milliamps and output of 1 ampere and 2.1 ampere. So this is the input port. It is micro USB port and also it contains a LED light torch. So this is the output USB port. One is 1 ampere and another is 2.1 ampere. And it measures around 5 inch, 1.5 inch width and 1 inch of height. This is not the part of package, so I am using this wall plug to charge this power bank, and it supplies max of 2.1 ampere with dual USB port. So once it's charging, its 4 LED lights starts blinking. You should make sure that you charge this power bank for the first time completely. Now that my power bank is fully charged, I'll charge my smartphone using this power bank. In this setup, power bank is connected to wall plug charger using the white charging cable. In turn, my phone docking station is connected to power bank with the black charging cable. This power bank has an auto shut off feature. Now I switched on the wall plug. Power bank is getting charged. I dock my smartphone on the docking station. My smartphone is not getting charged while power bank is getting charged. I'll turn off the wall plug. In few minutes power bank shuts off. Now my smartphone is not getting charged. I'll redock my smartphone at a docking station and I manually push the power button on the power bank. Now it's getting charged. I'll undock my smartphone. Power bank gets auto shut off. I'll dock my smartphone again. Power bank started charging again. It has auto turn off feature. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I'll be putting another video on charging 2 devices at a time. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe to get a video alert. Thanks for watching.